So what you're looking at here, this would be the true nature of reality. It's one side of a light hole is a black hole, and you have the green astral jet shooting out of the center. The center is going to be north, and every compass is pointing to the very center of the earth. What you're seeing here is that all the stars are revolving perfect circles around Polaris, the pole star. This would be the North Pole. Right below Polaris, you're going to see the astral light, and that's going to be the Aurora Borealis, the northern lights. So you have the astral light, the Aurora Borealis. This projects the stars up onto the dome. You know, there's a dome above your head.